so we're gonna come out here today and we're gonna shoot targets and hit golf balls out there 450 and with my AR 223, which most people think it's not capable of that, but if you're reloading and you got the right gun, heavier barrel, you can be surprised what you could do. Anyway, so we're gonna start 100 yards and progress out to 2, 3 is where I start hanging golf balls, because inside of that it's no challenge. And then we're going to go to 400 yards, 450, and 5. 5's about the limit. And we got a little bit of breeze today. It's not real bad, but it's only a 55 grain bullet, so it's light. Actually, this one's a 69 grain. I'm sorry. It's a little heavier, so ballistic coefficient's going to reach out a little further, a little bit better. But at 500 yards, you kind of now you start getting wind can drift it a little bit. And 6, it's really beyond. I mean, you can hit something out there. I wouldn't go down there at 6 and say hit me. It's still flying, but it just doesn't have it loses its ability to stay on track because it's a small bullet and has so much powder behind it. And I don't reload like a lot of guys reload heavy because they want the best speed they can get, but the reality of it is if you do a lot of that, it's good up close at 100 to 200 yards, but when you get out of distance, actually it'll wander off. Fast is not always better. Slower is actually more of a consistent trajectory. And so we're going to stop the science class at this point and let the games begin.
Let us.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, I haven't shot in a while, so I'm going to start out at 100. Oh, and the reason why I do the sandbags, when I'm here on the bench shooting, I mean, I hunt a lot out west, in the mountains here, Florida, whatever. I walk through the woods and hunt. The more you do on the bench, the more accurate you can be, the more you know what your gun's capable of doing. When you're out in the woods, it's another story. You don't walk around with sandbags. But when you're on the bench, getting ready for hunting season or something like that, you want to be as stable as you can possibly be. It's not a disadvantage, it's an advantage. If your gun is on, now you know if something goes wrong, it's not the gun, it's you. At least that's my take on it. Prior planning prevents piss poor performance, the 6 P's. All right, let me get set here. All right. Going to 100 yards. Ready? Right in the red.